Hello, dear friends. Today I am bringing another answer key. This is from Unit 3, Section 1, The Missile Man. Let's see the answers. And please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and share it with your friends. Okay, now let's see. Answer orally. Answer number 1. One day Abdul Kalam was attending his class at the age of 10 when his teacher explained the diagram of a word and about its lifting and flying. Abdul Kalam told him that he did not understand the concept. The teacher, with many other students, took him to the seashore and explained the concept again by showing the birds flapping their wings and flying. From that day, he thought that he would pursue his further studies in flight sciences. Number 2, Indian Missile Program was launched in 1983 by Abdul Kalam. It was introduced for the development of the nation in the field of science and technology. Next exercise, multiple choice questions. For first one, answer is part B, a teacher. For second one, answer is part D, integrated guided missile development program. For third one is part B, classical kinetic music. Next exercise, read and answer. Answer number 1, the teacher took the student to the seashore because they did not understand the flapping, flying and movement for changing directions of the birds in the classroom. The student observed the birds flapping their wings, the tail portion and the marvelous formation. They understood the concept easily. After learning and understanding about the birds at the seashore, Kalam decided to further study about flights. Answer number 2, Prithvi, Akash, Trishul, Nag, and Agni are the five major projects of IGMDP. Answer 3, Kalam explained that nuclear energy can be used for power generation, medical application, irradiation of seeds for quality agriculture, etc. Answer 4, according to him, it can be only resolved by enhancing the number of seats in professional courses like medical, pharma, management, etc. Think and answer. Answer number 1, Part A. Yes, a practical example can make understanding easy. Part B. Learning by doing. Practical example and discussion are a few methods for learning different concepts. Answer 2, Kalam visualized a distinctive profile of India by 2020. According to him, India would be a nation where urban and rural division would be reduced to a very thin line. India would be a nation which would have the best schools, most talented scholars, scientists, and investors, and the best of healthcare would be available. The government would be responsible, transparent, and corruption free. Crimes would be removed against children and women. Answer number 3, Abdul Kalam stressed that if the youth has an aim in life, realize that time spent cannot be recovered. The precious time will be used in achieving the goals. Confidence to win and defeat would lead to success. Next exercise, word quiz. Answer is part B, entire. Next exercise, reference to context. Part A, Abdul Kalam said this to his teacher. Part B, these words were said one evening on the seashore where his teacher had taken the class. Part C, he decided that his future study would be related to flight and flight sciences and that he had got a goal and mission in life. Part D, when Kalam went to college, he took physics, and when he went for engineering, his subject was aeronautical engineering. Next exercise, horse questions. Number 1, India by 2020 would undoubtedly be a developed country with a promising future for the youth, better education for children, improved status of women, and on the whole would be a better nation. Answer number 2, the interview inspires us to believe in ourselves, be determined, and work with an aim to win. Abdul Kalam's words are quite motivational for the youth and make us feel that India's distinctive profile would change the position of our nation all over the world. Next exercise, talk. In the morning, the children seem to mess up the things in their room. They have not tidied up their room, and their books, clothes, and toys are all scattered on the floor as well as on the bed. In the evening, they have cleaned up their room, and now it looks spick and span. Their mother is also happy to see the tidy room, and so she pats them on their shoulders. The things are well placed in the almirah of the room. Thank you all.